Hello everyone, this is Minu at AngloLink. Welcome to lesson 12 in my Easy series, where we will be dealing with two more common words that often lead to confusion and mistakes. Getting rid of confusion and starting to correct your own mistakes is one of the best things you can do to speak English more confidently. So, in today's lesson, we're going to clear up the confusion many of us experience with the words good and well. Should we say, I'm good or I'm well? Let's go over to the lesson to find out how to use these two words correctly. Easy to Zap English Errors, Lesson 12. Good or well? Let's see what we're going to be doing in this lesson. We'll start with a Test Yourself quiz. Then we'll look at when to use good. Then we'll look at when to use well. And we'll end with a final quiz. Okay, let's start with your Test Yourself quiz. I'd like you to choose the best two answers to "Hi, how are you doing?" out of these four answers. The first one, good, thanks. Very well, thank you. I'm doing good, thanks. I'm doing well, thank you. Which of these four answers do you think are the best? The best ones are A and B. Good, thanks, and very well, thank you. Although you may hear the other two as well sometimes, A and B are the better ones. Let's see why. Let's start by looking at when to use good. Good is an adjective and is used to describe a noun, which can be something or someone. For example, this approach is good. Here, good is describing something, an approach. Or, Linda is a good employee. Here, good is describing someone, Linda. So when someone greets you by saying, "Hi, how are you doing?" or "Hello, how are you?" you can describe your state by using good. I'm good. You're describing yourself, I. You can also say, I'm fine, which means you are in good health and or in a good mood. Now, in informal English, in response to how are you doing, you may sometimes hear, I'm doing good. But because good is not an adverb, this sentence is grammatically incorrect. If you want to use I'm doing in your reply, it's better to use fine, because fine is both an adjective and an adverb. So instead of saying I'm doing good, say I'm doing fine. Okay, let's look at how to use well. Well is the adverb form of good. As an adverb, it describes an action. This approach works. Works is a verb, an action. Well. Linda has done her job. Done is an action. Therefore, well. But well is also an adjective, which means not ill or in good health. So you can also say, I'm well. Here, your reply is specifically in the context of your health rather than your mood. So when someone greets you by saying, how are you, or how are you doing, you can say, I'm very well, thank you, or very well, thank you. But these days, the most common answers are, I'm good, thanks. Fine, thank you. And if someone asks you specifically about how you're recovering from an illness or succeeding in a task, then you can answer, I'm doing well, or I'm doing fine. Right, it's time for our final quiz. I'd like you to decide if there's a mistake in the sentence, and if there is, correct it. Number 1. How's your son doing at school? He's doing good. Is this correct? No, it isn't, because we're asking about someone's performance at school. So we shouldn't use the adjective good, but the adverb well. How's your son doing at school? He's doing well. Number 2. How's your mum? I heard she was ill. She's good again. Is this correct? Again, it is not correct, it's incorrect, because we are asking about someone's health. And therefore, we can't use the word good, but the adjective well. She's well again. And the last one, number 3. Hi, how are you all doing? We're all good, thanks. Is this correct? It is, because we are asking about everyone's health or mood in general, and therefore here we can use the adjective good. We're all good, thanks. Well, that is the end of lesson 12. I hope your doubts about good and well have been cleared up. For an in-depth lesson on the use of adjectives and adverbs, visit my YouTube channel and look for the video Adjectives and Adverbs, or use the link at the end of this video. I'd also like to invite you to check out my online self-study course that will help you to improve your writing and speaking skills using a step-by-step approach. You can sign up for my online course by visiting my website, angloling.com. Also, please remember to subscribe to my channel and allow notifications to know when my next lesson is available. Thank you for your continued support, and I hope to see you again soon. Goodbye for now.